Trying to beat it. It's in the house.
A blowing dust advisory was in place for Imperial County, California, as a gust front producing severe winds and reduced visibility moved towards San Diego and Riverside counties on October 6. Winds that were creating blowing dust that could reduce visibility to as low as a quarter mile are sweeping across the Coachella Valley on Thursday. The National Weather Service said in a 4 p.m. advisory that gusts from Imperial County would enter portions of San Diego and Riverside counties at around 5 p.m. and create dusty conditions and low visibility until about 9 p.m. The conditions are reducing visibility to less than a quarter of a mile. Motorists driving in the affected areas are urged to exercise extreme caution.
Look at that thing. It's getting harder to pedal. Holy hell.
In a video shot around 6 p.m. in the Shadow Hills neighborhood in Indio, the sky was white with dust while visibility was greatly reduced. Meanwhile, in Palm Springs, winds of 15 to 20 miles per hour and gusts of up to 30 miles per hour are expected through the evening. The winds are expected to decrease after 9 p.m. and subside by midnight. Similar wind speeds and conditions were expected in other Coachella Valley cities, including Indio and Palm Desert.